Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you a short story related to the use of present tense of be, present tense, present continuous tense, simple past tense. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat after me. And you should have partners to practice your English. Now, please listen to me carefully because after that I'm going to ask you some questions about it. Are you ready? Well, Peter Knott is a journalist. He was in Mexico City last week, but now he is in London. He is talking to his friends. His friends want to know about the weather, the climate, and the food in Mexico City. Alright, Peter Knott is a journalist. Peter Knott adalah seorang jurnalis. Di sini adalah simple present tense. He was in Mexico City last week. Oke, dia berada di Mexico City last week. Minggu lalu ya, maka kita gunakan was bukan is karena past tense. But now he is in London. Tapi sekarang dia ada di London. Nah, maka pakai is lagi karena bentuk present atau bentuk sekarang. Itu yang membedakan. He is talking to his friends. He is talking to his friends. Dia sedang berbicara kepada teman-temannya. Nah, present continuous tense, yaitu ada kata kerja ditambah ing. He is talking to his friends. His friends want to know about the weather, the climate, and the food in Mexico City. Teman-temannya ingin mengetahui tentang keadaan di Mexico City, yaitu tentang the food, makanan, the climate, iklim, ya, the food, the weather, ya, cuaca di Mexico City. Mexico City adalah ibu kota Meksiko. Well, one of the ways to improve your speaking skill, you should repeat after me. Please repeat after me. Peter Knott is a journalist. He was in Mexico City last week, but now he is in London. He is talking to his friends. His friends want to know about the weather, the climate, and the food in Mexico City. Ya, jadi untuk memperlancar, salah satu caranya adalah menirukan berulang-ulang ya. Now, do you still remember the story? I'm going to ask you some questions about Peter Knott. You should try to answer the questions. Question number 1. Is Peter Knott a hotel manager? Question number 2. Is he a pilot? Is he a doctor? The next question. What is Peter Knott's job? The next question. Was he in Mexico City last week? Was he in Mexico City last week? The next question. Is he still in Mexico City now? Where is he now? Is he in Berlin? Is he in England? Is he in London? Well, the next question. What is he doing in London? What is he doing in London? Is he talking to his wife? Is he talking to his friends? What do his friends want to know about Mexico City? Do they want to know about the culture in Mexico City? Alright, now you can practice your English with your partner using the story. You can also reproduce your conversation. Well, what about you? Are you a journalist? Are you a teacher? Are you a doctor? Are you a carpenter? Are you a farmer? Are you a fisherman? What is your job? Are you at home now? Are you in Mexico City now? Are you in Washington DC now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Are you fishing? Are you making video? Are you watching video? Are you learning English? Well, what are you doing now? Well, I hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.